this video, I will show you how to merge and insert in Python. So, I already got the code and I will only explain it later. So first is we will import array as r, then we will declare a variable numbers is equals to r dot array the I letters so that it won't get we won't get any error. Then the value of this what we called array, the element of an array 1, 2, and 3. And in this section, we will append or insert this number 12 in the element of an array. So, the output will be this one. The output will be this one. If we will run this program. So after that, after we insert, we will merge it with this one. We will use extend, which means it will merge the two arrays, the 5, 6, and 7, into this array. We will use the extend function to do that merging. Then it will print like this. The output will be array, the variable I, 1, 2, 3, 12, 5, 6, and 7. So that will be the output. And then here in this section, we will use remove to remove an element of an array. We will use the remove function, and then we will specify what element should be deleted. So the output will be like this. Array I 1, 2, 3, 12, 5, 7. So since it will be the output is like this, it will be the same as if we run this program. So we'll give you the same result. I hope you learned something about how to insert, merge, and delete using the simple steps using the Python language. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something new.